guys, did you know that one of the best budget-friendly garden hack we can practice is to save our own seeds? I know it can be very overwhelming and frustrating sometimes, but today I am going to be sharing with you a seed storage solution that I came up with recently. But first I'm going to show you some of the ways that I was saving my seeds. So recently I saved some yellow, orange, and red bell pepper seeds in these containers. And these are some containers I got from work. So I use a piece of napkin to put the seeds on the inside. And now today I am going to be putting these seeds in some little bags. So I am just using my little handy dandy seed dispenser that I got on, not even sure if it's Shein or Temu. I think it cost me about 98 cents. I'm trying to get all these seeds in these little bags. These are the bags right here. And this section, it comes with 3 different size holes cut out. So we have this side right here, this side right here, and this side. It actually came with 4. So we have this little part right here, this little part, this part, this part. So I'm going to be using the biggest part. I'm going to open my bag, my teeny tiny bags. Oh my Lord, I'm so clumsy. And then I'm going to add the seeds in the bag. And of course, I'm going to be labeling this bag. Let me see if I can find one of my sticky labels that I have somewhere in here. All right, here is one. And these were some yellow bell peppers. So this was one of the ways I used to save my peppers as well. Not just peppers, just seeds in general. I was also saving seeds in bottles like these, like my seasoning bottles. So I had some bok choy seeds in this. And at one point I was also using this little mini album right here. But currently I am using this album right here. So I got some seeds from M.I. Gardener and from other places, and I have stored my seeds in here so they're easily accessible and I know exactly where to find them. I got this album at a thrift store, but guys, if you're unable to find an album like this, you don't have to worry, because today I have a solution for you. And we are going to be using a binder and some Ziploc bags to make our seed storage album. I have a book inside here only because I'm going to be using a leaf from it. So here is what I am simply going to do, guys. I am just, before I do that, these binders, I got them at work for free. And I recently bought 1 pack of freezer bag. It has 20 in it. And then I got 2 free. So I'm going to take one of the freezer bag. And I am going to put the freezer bag inside. Now you have to ensure that it is inside the folder. You don't even have to put it all the way in. It's up to you. But to have more space inside of the bag, you can put it all the way to the end. But I'm not going to do that. I am going to put it like this. And I'm just simply going to put the Ziploc bag inside the folder like this. And you're going to put multiple Ziploc bags inside the folder, guys. Multiple Ziploc bags. As you go along, as a matter of fact. You don't even have to put all of the bags in the folder at once. I think I want to make the bag. Okay, in order for me to have the bag on the inside, let me do this to hold it. So I can know exactly where to put the holes. All right. So guys, there's actually some bigger binders with bigger rings. You can also use those if you would like to have more storage for your seeds, and that binder will actually hold a whole lot more Ziploc bags. You are now going to do, where's that pack of seed that I just saved? Where did I throw it? Oh my gosh. All right, I can't find it, guys, so I'm just going to use some of the seeds that I have in my album right here. So after you put the Ziploc bag inside your folder, you just open it, put your seeds inside of it, zip it up, and ensure that you label your album to know exactly what is inside of it. So we are going to label our folder. So here we have it. If you do not have an exact folder like this, you can actually glue the paper to the folder or just write directly on the folder to know exactly what is in it. You store this in a cool area in your house, wherever you're going to be saving your seeds. And these are some seeds that I was planning on taking outside with me. So I can now go ahead and just add them in the folder. And as soon as I add the other bags in the folder, I am going to be separating the seeds, so I can have them evenly dispersed throughout the folder. And there you have it. This is your seed storage solution for 2025 and beyond. So go ahead, get yourself a folder, some Ziploc bags, and make yourself the seed storage solution so you will always know where your seeds are. I know it can be very challenging sometimes when you're trying to find your seeds, like in a can like this that I used to save my seeds in. I'm always digging up the can. Look, I even have some pigeon peas in here from over a year. And this was how I was saving some of my seeds. I have been saving seeds as long as go back to 2023, I think. I am going to be sowing some of these seeds and save the newer ones that I have, because I think that we can only save seeds up to 2 years. All right. So I'm going to be adding in some more bags. And then I'm going to be adding more seeds to this folder. And guys, if this is your first time joining me, this is the Glades Garden Girl over here in Zone 10A, Florida. Remember, my #1 priority on this channel is to save as much as I can, as I grow as much as I can. And if you are enjoying this content, how about sharing it with someone that they too can learn how to salvage, repurpose, and to save some money. There we have it. By the way, guys, you can also put a label on this side right here. All right. Thanks again for watching. Go get yourself a folder and some freezer bag to make your DIY seed storage solution.